can't go over 469.
You put your hearing aids in, 472. We can't have too many rules. It's
458.
what are we doing?
The price is right, kid. So I made 484.
Yeah.
You won.
That's the trend this week.
What is it?
Something that we got by accident from next door. Open it and show the viewers.
Oh no.
Yo, we should give that away.
What in God's name is that? Zen hanger.
Zen hanger, bro. Can you guess what it is? I had to look it up and figure out what it is.
I don't know. I gotta Google it.
This is unused, everyone, so you can just imagine what this potentially may be for. You hang weights from your with this thing.
I need some growth.
Yeah, I can take all of it. Dude, what do you think this is? Like 8-10 pounds? Dead fucking serious. Dead serious. Yes, I had to look up what it was. Well, after they moved out, we were getting a bunch of packages, and we were just like, sometimes they would get left here for like months. I'm like, whatever, we'll open it. And Zen hanger, dude. It says, a patient man is a bigger man.
Dude, that's sick. That's really messed up. One next up from that, little red Corvette.
I believe this belongs to you.
Yo, what are you getting paid for?
This little bet we had.
Whoever was doing his car would get a tip.
Figure you're making a bet about me.
Nah.
Not that important. So do you know what the song Little Red Corvette's about?
I guess a fucking little red Corvette by Prince. That would be my guess.
No, you gotta listen to the lyrics. It's
like
about
to
a
listen to
prostitute.
Prince.
Yes, listen to the lyrics. Think he was really singing about a Corvette?
I don't fucking know. Like I said, Prince isn't really my.
I mean, neither. It's not my thing either, but I like, behind the music VH1 type shit.
That's what gets you fired up, huh?
Oh,
Sounds
gets me ready to rock.
Just got paid, gonna go home and try and get laid. Woo!
I don't need to try.
Yeah, real nice, Eric. This little red Corvette is getting a stage 4, which consists of a B3 cam, ported cylinder heads, BTR intake manifold,
Okay.
Nick Williams throttle body, Polytech intake, and in this case, it'll be receiving our K-Tech valve covers.
Powder coated.
Fucking red, brother. Eric, giblet.
I'll come back when this is ready to hit the dyno.
Yeah, right. So you're gonna get the car show mural. I think it's cool. I like the idea of the guy hanging them on his wall with the other dude. Eric, Giuseppe.
How you working without me?
I don't know, you disappeared. Change of plans. This thing's got some pretty nasty oil leaks underneath, so
Does it?
we're gonna ounce the motor and reseal it.
It's going out?
Oh, coming out. I still like to pull the heads on C6s before I pull the short block. Working on the heads is so easy in the car, and it makes getting the rest of it out that much easier. Like this, for example.
Oh, no struggle.
No struggle.
Got this thing torn apart. Working without me.
You really get a kick out of yourself.
I'm gonna do it for the fans.
I have to do it for the fucking OnlyFans. Get me out of this fucking place. This place is a prison.
What would you tell the people that dream of working on Corvettes every day?
I think if you're considering the automotive field as a career choice, you need to listen to everything everybody says and don't do it.
What would you suggest instead?
Maybe a nice office job.
AC?
Yeah, AC, energy.
AI's coming to take that over though. You'll be the last one standing or working.
I wish AI would fucking do this. What do we got there?
You wanna house them?
Yeah, I'm in on that.
All right, let's try them.
A little worried about the Christmas message.
You think they're a regift?
What's in it?
Is it an almond or a cashew?
It's mixed nuts.
It's good or no? Stale?
What do you think the big one is? A mothball? They last a while because of the chocolate.
So Matt didn't wait for me and he pulled this head off. And I could see both heads while I was enjoying some chocolate covered nuts. Motor's gonna get some new gaskets and whatnot because it's a leaky sieve right now. Clutch and pressure plate off. Customer is currently sticking with the stock clutch. He's gonna inspect it, see how bad it is or if it's still good to go. Flywheel's off.
Looks pretty good from what I can see on a quick note. Let's see
Looks
what's going
good.
on with this oil leak. Completely sealed up. All new gaskets. I got a new complete cover for the back. These things can be pretty porous and I've seen them piss oil straight through the cover.
Is this strictly an LS7 thing or is this LS based?
LS. Nothing worse than getting a car completely back together when you went this in deep to fix an oil leak and then realize you didn't fix the oil leak. That's a bad day. So, junk that, replace it, fresh oil pan gasket, get everything in the ultrasonic cleaner, be like new again. I gotta go steal an engine stand from somebody. One day morning.
What are we sliding in here?
B3 in this LS7 today. And I don't think you saw last week when I was pulling this thing apart. It had a previous rocker failure, so
Oh. I know it was
Little-
leaking like crazy.
little chunks of needle bearings scattered all through the engine, so I spent all morning trying to pick all those out and clean everything up. Yeah, it worked out that the engine came out. Have any foreign metal debris just sliding around in there.
You gotta take a sledgehammer to it. Not this one. And there she is.
We're going to be trying new cylinder head option today.
What head?
Magnum
Magnum Racing? Is that a new head we're using?
Just testing.
Testing it?
Won't say using it until we see how they run. Add a nice option to our
Collection?
lineup, yep. But we won't use anything that's not producing the numbers we need, so. But let me go grab one, we'll look at it.
I like how you're wearing their shirt while you do this.
Well, thought that would be a nice touch. Nice finish on that. They look nice. Kind of valve springs we're working with have a packed color to them. And these look like they're all steel valves.
Thoughts looking at them.
They look nice. I just gotta verify what the valve material is.
Tighten up the old bell housing.
Yep.
No more leaks. Right, Matt?
That's right.
Long blocks back in the car. Matt's assembling it.
Yep, it's getting there. It's getting an ATI dampener, so once I put that on, bolt the rack and pinion back on, then I'll start buttoning up the motor.
What's the dampener help with? Just keeping the motor balanced and vibrations and stuff?
Yep. Never a bad idea.
Are these known for that issue?
The older LSs, the dampeners come apart.
Matt's got the ATI balancer on that we talked about yesterday and what it does, remember?
Yeah, I do remember. Do you remember?
I remember. I remember everything you say, Matt.
That's questionable.
That is very questionable.
Eric, I don't know if you do this or not, but you tend to cut people off when they're talking.
I mean, but I'm not. I'm just telling you. So just because I cut people off is because I don't know, like I didn't hear you say anything about Santa?
No, I'm probably like, oh, Lauren's, and then you're probably like, yeah, well, my fucking weekend.
Yeah, okay.
I'm assure you I've told you. Front end of the motor back together with the new ATI balancer. Got the steering rack bolted back in. Bolt up the subframe tight, and then we'll be mostly topside for a while. I got some knockoff batteries coming. I'm like, they're 20 bucks for a 2-pack. I'm like, I'll try them. Fucking 4.8 star reviews out of 8,000 reviews. Overnight, 4 a.m. I'm like, perfect. I'll take them to work. Set a reminder, Eric. 7 o'clock, the reminder goes off. I'm like, oh shit, I gotta grab them batteries. Jump in the truck, drive right fucking past them.
You gotta blow a fuse. That's fine with me.
I'm cool, calm, and collect.
Accessories on, water pump, hoses ran.
This helps keep the heat of the headers and shit out of the cab.
Good B-roll. Someone break their belt today?
Yeah, you know, Bill's got something going on, I guess.
Master fabricator.
C6Z with like 10,000 miles, I think. Came from New York. Baseline 484, 470. Got our full stage 4 with a BTR manifold. Hooks 2-inch long tubes with cats. Nick Williams 103, our injectors, our valve covers. He's getting some tires. Ended up with 664, 525. What's that, Matt? 180 wheel, 55 foot-pounds of torque. Gonna need that tire.
The butt slayer cam is still on the website.
It is good.
Do you still sign them?
Nah.
No? Cost
I
went
mean,
up?
I don't know. I don't think any have sold.
No. You need to put a cash app in there or something.
It's their loss. They don't want the extra spank.